To create a Trust to Office transfer in Leap, select the Trust to Office transfer icon. Record the method of payment. Review your payment details and click OK. Add to the reason for this Trust to Office transfer as required and review the transaction date. You can select on the left-hand side from all available trust funds or from a list of protected trust funds. You can also filter by invoice batch numbers. Invoices will only appear on this list if the invoice is set to a status of final, printed and sent. Review the balance due compared with the available trust balance. And in the right-hand side, apply those funds. Above the Apply column, you can select Apply All, and the drop-down arrow also allows you to clear the applied. When you have confirmed the details, select Save and Close. Two windows have opened: the trust payment and the office receipt. Firstly, confirm the details of the office receipt and email or print in the top left-hand corner as required. Then select Save and Close. Then review the details of the trust payment. Print the details of this payment and its check if required, and then select Save and Close. You have now transferred funds from your trust ledger to your office ledger.